What's up guys, I'm Iman and welcome to Iman's Planet. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to get a cinematic look in Filmora. So before starting anything, first of all I want to say that if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then go to my channel, subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that if I upload any new videos in my channel, then you will get a notification from my channel. So let's check it out about it. I hope you'll enjoy.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So guys, for this first of all you have to open Wondershare Filmora, but if you want to download Wondershare Filmora, then you will get the download link at the description of this video. So go to the description and then click on the link and then download and install Wondershare Filmora. But whatever, double click on the icon and then the Filmora will be start automatically, so just wait for it. And then after starting Filmora, click on this full feature mode. And then you will get an interface which looks something like this. So now you have to import that video which you want to edit. To import that video, click on this import and then click on this import media files, and from here select the location where the video is and then select that video and then click on this open, and then the video will be imported automatically on your media. So guys, after importing that video, select that video and then drag and drop it on this first layer. Don't drag and drop it on this second layer, drag and drop it on this first layer. And then in the preview window you can see there is no cinematic look in this video. So now click on this advanced color tuning and then you will get a window something like this. Here you will get option 3D LUT. So here you will get an arrow, click on this arrow and then here you will get one more arrow, click on this arrow and here you will get some 3D LUTs, and with these LUTs you can add cinematic look on your videos. So now select this one by one and see which suits for your video. So now I will select this. This is not good, and then I will select this. This is black and white. So now I will select this Batman. Wow, this looks great, I like this. So now I will select this. So like this, select one by one and see which suits for your video and then select that. So now you can compare it with your previous video. To compare it, click on this and then you will get some comparing options, side by side view and then left right view and then top bottom view. So like this you can compare it. So now I am disabling it, I don't need this. So now you can also see the preview of this video by clicking on this play button. So after doing everything, click on this OK. And in the preview window you can see we get the cinematic color grading on our video. So now we are going to add cinematic black bars on our video. To add cinematic black bars, click on this overlays and then click on this frame. And then at the end of this frame you will get option cinema 21:9. So select this and then drag and drop it on the overlays layer. Don't drag and drop it on this layer, drag and drop it on this overlays layer. So now here you can see the cinematic black bars layer is smaller than the footage. So now we will make it larger as the video footage, and then you will get a cinematic black bars on your videos. So now if you want to watch a video about cinematic black bars with more details, then I already made a video on it. You can watch it from the description and also from the I button. So first of all watch it, and after doing this click on this export to export the video, because our all process is end. So now from here select the format, in which format you want to export, and then here type the name. Here select the location and then click on the settings and then select the settings for the video and then click on this OK and then click on this export, and then the video will be start exporting, and then after end of the exporting you will get a great cinematic look on your videos using Wondershare Filmora. So like this you can get a cinematic look on your videos in Wondershare Filmora very easily. So this is the video and I hope you like it. If you like it, then don't forget to drop a like on this video and also don't forget to share this video. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then go to my channel, subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that if I upload any new videos in my channel, then you will get a notification from my channel. But if you have any type of problem, then please leave it in a comment. I will try to give an answer of that, and if you want anything more video from me, then also leave it in a comment. I will try to make a video on that. So enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.